What if you could create an entire quiz or interactive lesson in just a few minutes using AI? In this tutorial, I'll show you how to use Quizizz to create AI quizzes and interactive lessons in 2026. Quizizz is an AI-powered learning platform designed for teachers, tutors, trainers, students, and schools. It allows users to create quizzes, lessons, assignments, flashcards, and assessments while using AI to speed up the content creation process. To get started, create a free account and log into your dashboard. Once you're inside, you'll find options to create quizzes, lessons, and other learning activities. One of the easiest ways to use Quizizz is through its AI content generation tools. Click the Create option and choose to generate content with AI. You can enter a topic, a learning objective, or even upload existing materials such as PDFs, presentations, documents, web pages, or videos. Quizizz will then analyze the content and automatically generate questions, answers, and learning activities based on the material you provide. After the AI creates your quiz, review the questions carefully. While the AI is usually very helpful, it's always a good idea to check for accuracy and make adjustments where necessary. You can edit questions, change answer choices, add images, modify difficulty levels, and customize the quiz to fit your audience. If you want to create a lesson instead of a quiz, Quizizz also allows you to build interactive lessons that combine explanations, slides, questions, and activities into a single learning experience. Another powerful feature is the massive content library. Instead of creating everything from scratch, you can search thousands of ready-made quizzes and lessons created by educators around the world. Many users find this feature especially useful because it can save hours of preparation time. Once your quiz or lesson is ready, you can assign it as homework, present it live in a classroom, or allow students to complete it at their own pace. Quizizz automatically grades responses and provides detailed analytics showing how students performed on individual questions and topics. These reports can help identify learning gaps and areas where additional instruction may be needed. Based on user feedback available online, many teachers appreciate how quickly Quizizz allows them to create engaging learning experiences. Users often praise the AI tools for reducing preparation time and the gamified design for keeping students motivated and involved. The automated grading system is another feature that receives frequent positive comments because it reduces administrative work for educators. On the downside, some users mention that AI-generated questions occasionally require editing, especially for more specialized subjects. Others point out that certain advanced features are available only through paid plans. Even so, the overall feedback from educators remains overwhelmingly positive. My honest opinion is that Quizizz is one of the easiest and most effective AI-powered learning platforms available in 2026. It combines AI content creation, student engagement, assessments, and analytics into a single platform that can save educators a significant amount of time. Whether you're a teacher, tutor, trainer, or student, Quizizz is definitely worth exploring if you want to create more interactive learning experiences. Thanks for watching, and if this tutorial helped you learn how to use Quizizz, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment below with the next AI tool you'd like to learn about.